Feedback regulation of hormone release. The feedback mechanism of hormones is the mechanism through which the balance of hormone in the blood or body is maintained. The increase or decrease in the concentration of that hormone can either stimulate the secretion of that particular hormone or inhibit the hormone secretion. This is called feedback. There can be two types of feedback. One is called positive feedback, and other is called negative feedback. The positive feedback stimulates the secretion or production of the hormone. On the counterpart, the negative feedback inhibits the secretion of the hormone. Most feedback mechanisms in our body are of negative type. Example, TSH level. For example, when we eat carbohydrate-rich food, the glucose level in the blood increase. As the blood glucose level rise, the pancreas will secrete insulin. Pituitary gland and hormonal regulation. The pituitary is often referred to as the master gland because it regulates numerous hormones that influence other endocrine glands. However, its own regulation comes from the hypothalamus. This region of the brain, upon receiving neural signals, generates specific releasing factors. For instance, the pituitary secretes the thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, which prompts the thyroid gland to produce thyroxine. The release of TSH is governed by the thyroid-stimulating hormone releasing factor, TSHRF, or thyrotropin releasing factor, TRF, from the hypothalamus. The hormone's influence is tied to the gland responsible for its production and subsequent regulation. For instance, thyroxine governs the body's chemical processes. If there's an imbalance in the levels of thyroxine and triiodothyronine, it adjusts based on the presence of thyroid-stimulating hormone. When thyroid hormone levels rise, the pituitary gland doesn't react to the thyrotropin-releasing hormone. Consequently, the production of thyroid-stimulating hormone diminishes, leading to a drop in thyroid hormone levels. Endocrine glands, hormones secreted and their functions. Endocrine gland and their location. Hormones secreted. Function of hormones. Adrenal glands, supraadrenal gland, abdominal region, a pair of flat, yellowish and pyramid-shaped glands located above the upper end of the kidneys. Adrenal cortex. Adrenal medulla. Mineralocorticoids, aldosterone. Glucocorticoids, cortisol. Sex hormones, adrenocorticoids, adrenal androgens. Adrenaline, emergency hormone or FFF hormone, fight, fright and flight. Regulate the concentration of sodium and potassium in blood and extracellular fluid. Regulate the metabolism of carbohydrate, lipid and protein. Activate development of external sex characters in male and female. Stimulates sympathetic nervous system. Prepares to fight stressful conditions. Thyroid, neck region, largest endocrine gland attached to trachea below larynx bilobe or H-shaped. Thyroxine. Promotes metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Promotes growth and differentiation. Pituitary gland, head region, a small pea-shaped gland attached to the inferior surface of hypothalamus by stalk. Anterior pituitary. Posterior pituitary. Growth hormone, GH, or somatotropin hormone, STH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. Luteinizing hormone, LH. Prolactin, PRL. Oxytocin vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone, ADH. Normal body growth. Activates secretion from adrenal cortex of adrenal gland. Stimulates thyroid gland to secrete and release its hormones. Growth of Graafian follicles and estrogen secretion in females. Spermatogenesis in males. Maintenance of corpus luteum. Secretion of progesterone in females. Secretion of testosterone in males. Ovulation. Promotes growth and development of mammary glands and milk production. Contraction of uterine muscles during childbirth. Regulation of water and electrolyte balance. Contraction of blood vessels. Pancreas, abdominal region, a heterocrine gland producing pancreatic juice. Insulin. Glucagon. Lowers level of blood sugar by converting blood glucose to glycogen for storage. Increase level of blood sugar by converting stored glycogen to glucose. Learning outcomes. Hormones play a vital role in managing chemical regulation and are produced by endocrine glands. They are introduced into the bloodstream and affect various parts of the body. Hormones are carried by the blood to target organs. They can be derived from amino acids, proteins, or steroids and have a low molecular weight. Hormones help regulate bodily functions and maintain balance. Main endocrine glands in humans include the adrenals, pancreas, pituitary, thyroid, thymus, parathyroid, testes for males, and ovaries for females. Thyroxine and calcitonin are hormones produced by the thyroid gland, which influence metabolism, bone formation, and calcium levels. Adrenal glands produce adrenaline and several cortical hormones, which regulate blood pressure, metabolism, and secondary sexual traits. The pancreas functions as both an exocrine and endocrine gland, releasing insulin and glucagon to regulate blood sugar levels. The pituitary gland is known as the master gland and controls various hormones that influence other endocrine glands. Feedback regulation and hormone interactions are crucial for maintaining a balanced internal environment. Hormones play roles in metabolic processes, homeostasis, growth, cognitive functions, healing, secondary sexual traits, and reproduction.